Hi, my name is Pasan Vijayagon. Today in this video I am going to explain how I got this idea for this project and how I started the entire project from initial planning to finish. So last August I experienced the Kandy Esala Perahera. After seeing it, I thought I could create a functional interactive storybook prototype using Unity, especially since at that time I am learning Unity. So I decided to do this project using Unity, and I decided to name this project the Magic of Kandy. Without much talk, let's see how I do this project. Okay, the goal of this project was to create an engaging and cultural authentic storybook for children age 1 to 8 and introducing them to Sri Lankan Esala Perahera festival. And the entire project was guided by 5 stages of design thinking process, and it started with empathy, understanding that young audience needs simple interactions and a warm, inviting world. This led to definition of core challenge and making this distance cultural festival relatable and fun. And the solution was to follow a young guide, Amara, through her adventure. The story unfolds across 6 scenes with rich activities. The key features include a tap to discover mechanic in scene 1, where children look for discoverable items, and a hand-on drag and drop game in scene 2, where children dress up the secret elephant, the Raja, and an interactive showcase in scene 3, where tapping on performers triggers their unique animation and sounds. And finally, a grand scrollable panoramic scene in scene 4, allowing users to explore the magnificent night procession. A key part of design process was iteration. For example, in initial concept for scene 2 was a simple drag and drop game. Through prototyping and testing, I enhanced this significantly. The final version now includes a sequential reveal of items to guide users and a sparkle effect for positive feedback on each placement and celebratory trumpet animation as final reward. This iterative process turned a simple mechanic into much more engaging and rewarding experience. Now I will give you a brief live demonstration of final prototype, walking through Amara's complete journey. The experience begins on the home page. You can see welcoming animations like moving clouds and floating petals, which create a magical first impression. To start Storybook, you can tap on the glowing temple door and it takes us to the first scene. This is scene 1, and the user was introduced to Amara, and the tap to discover mechanic was introduced in here. For example, when I tap on lanterns, it plays a narration and shows an information text and plays a successful sound. This simple interaction is perfect for our young target audience. Next is scene 2, dressing Raja. Here we have the drag and drop game. Notice how only one item, the ceremonial cloth, is visible. This is sequential reveal system that guide the user. When I drag the cloth onto Raja, you can see sparkle effect and his appearance updates and narration plays and the headdress appears, and he is ready for the next scene. In scene 3, the performance, the characters are initially static. When I click on the drummer, his unique animation and drum sounds play along with narration. Now if I click on the dancer, the drummer's performance stops completely and dancer's animation and sounds begin. This controls flow was the key refinement. After interacting with all 3, the grand final animation plays. The climax of story is scene 4, the grand procession. The user can scroll horizontally through this wide panorama to explore the festival, and there are 7 discovery hotspots for the special interactions. When I click on main elephant, it triggers his unique trumpet animation and special 5-second sound effect, making it highlight of the experience. Finally, the credit scene. This provides a peaceful conclusion. Here we have the new memories gallery, which users can scroll through the reflect on the journey, and the play again button seamlessly take user right back to the home page and ready to start the new adventure over. Through a structural design thinking process and iterative development, the Magic of Kandy has become a polished and complete prototype that meets all projects and educational and cultural goals. Thank you for your time. The full interactive storybook available today. Link provided.